Tokyo, Japan is a vast, big city, and if I would has, visit Mount Fuji, which is 3,776 meters long at its peak. At winter, the average temperature is -14-18 degrees C in Mount Fuji. After that, I would love some. I would go to Nobu, Tokyo that serves mochi from I would go to Gecko that serves mochi and you can add any filling you want from chili to ice cream. I need a place to stay, so I would go to the Shibuya Hotel that is located basically in the center of Tokyo that costs only about $30 per night for a one-bedroom, and I would need to go to work, so I would take the Toei subway metro that goes all around Tokyo, and for kids under 3 it's free, and after that amazing tour in Tokyo, I would love to enjoy the bed at Shibuya Hotel and sleep